Hi guys, have a nice day. So I introduce myself. I am Dr. N. Sivakumar, completed my ME PhD. I am working as an associate professor in the Panimala Engineering College, Chennai. I have 20 years of experience in teaching. I am very specialized in multimedia technologies. Now I would like to give the brief explanation about the VR, AR and VR. Okay. So in the sense, if you take about VR, that is virtual reality, AR is the augmented reality. These are coming under with AI. AI is the artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is nothing but the human intelligence in terms of computer machine. So the simulated outputs of the human will be in terms of artificial intelligence. We know already this is a part of AR VR. So VR is a virtual reality. This is completely a digital and virtual world, completely independent of the real world. So once you get into the virtual reality, the participant is okay. You are suppose you are getting to that. You are the participant. So the participant totally involved in the interaction with the environment. For example, if you having the game, right? So the game is if you're playing with that, so you are totally involved in that interaction. This is not like outside the computer. So you will be the inside of machine. You feel the inside of the machine. So this will be classified in three categories, that is immersion, non-immersion and semi-immersion. So immersion is totally involved in the interaction, that is coming under virtual reality. This is fully immersion. So the virtual reality need not be present for experiencing the imaginary world. So it is fully enclosed reality. So reality in the sense you will be totally involved in the interaction. So this is a synthetic experience with no sense of the real world. Okay. The time horizon for adopting VR in different fields is expected to be 2 to 4 years. This is not having see-through the capabilities. So if we take further virtual reality, we uses headset, okay, head-mounted devices that is varying various level, that is MetaQuest 1, MetaQuest 2, and MetaQuest 3. So recently they introduced MetaQuest 3. So MetaQuest 3 is the head-mounted devices. Using this, you can make the boundaries where you can stand and or sit and interact with the real-time environment. So this is very useful for the peoples to get the real-time exposure. Okay, for example, if you want to sit on the mountain, so it is possible with the help of, without going the mountain, it is possible with the help of virtual reality concept. So if we come for augmented reality, so augmented reality, it incorporates real world with the digital information. Okay, so it is semi-immersive. This is coming under partially immersion or semi-immersion. So the user's presence is required for the experience. So it is, I told you, partially enclosed reality. So because we will be interact with the digital content, so that is why it is called augmented reality. Whereas if we compare with virtual reality, it is not fully immersed, but semi-immersed. It is coming under augmented reality. Is coming under semi-immersed. So non-immersive means that is we outside the computer. In olden days, we play the games with the help of keyboards with the computer. That is coming under non-immersive. So augmented reality is partial immersive, virtual reality is fully immersive, but non-immersive is coming under the olden days method of gaming. Okay. The real world remains central to the experience, enhanced by virtual details. Fully adoption of AR going to take the time span of around 3 to 7 years. This is having partial see through the capabilities. So if you want to interact with the augmented reality, So it is a mixer of digital content and real world. So it is a touch and feel sensitive, gives the touch and feel sensitives. And if you compare with AR, VR, if you comparing with AR, VR, so almost these are coming under same categories, but AR is completely partially immersive. Sir, 5 minutes. Okay,
Okay,